Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. We are going to do the GBP USD analysis today in this video. You see, we are in a downtrend for a while in H4 time frame. Then suddenly buyers took control and we see a higher high and higher low formation for the past few days. The current situation is that after making the most recent swing high, the buyers are unable to break this area and price is getting rejection from this zone every time it enters into it. It has become a strong resistance zone for the price. This zone is between 1.3490 and 1.3511, but the only hope for the buyers is that the price is still trading above the previous swing low, which is here. As long as the price is above this swing low, the buyers may hope the price can break this strong resistance zone. But to break this swing high, the buyers have to hold the most recent swing low, which is now a support zone for the price, and they should not allow the price to break and close below this support zone. This support zone is between 1.3407 and 1.3433. Well, this is the current chart condition of GBP USD in my opinion. In the current scenario, we have two major zones to focus for finding our next entry point into the market. First one is this resistance zone and the second one is this support zone. Let's discuss the possible entry points according to these two zones. First, we will discuss the possible entry points according to this support zone. In my opinion, if price come into this support zone, find any good buy reason here and open long position with a stop loss below this zone. But if the price breaks and closes below this support zone, then wait for a pullback into this zone and find a sell reason here and open short position with a stop loss just above this zone. Now let's discuss the possible entry points according to this resistance zone. If price come into this resistance zone, find any good sell reason here and open short position with a stop loss just above this zone. But if price breaks and closes above this resistance zone, then wait for a pullback into this zone and find a good buy reason here and open long position with a stop loss just below this zone. Well, a good trader always try to prepare his plans according to the market situation and does not try to move the market into his favor. He should be prepared for every possible opportunity. Read the chart carefully, find possible entry points, and trade when he gets enough evidences and confirmations of the price pattern in favor of his potential trade direction. Of course, still there is not a guarantee that he is going to win his trades, even after all these precautions, but it surely gives him an edge over the market and increases his winning odds. I personally always try to enter into any trade systematically because I prefer rules based trading. Well, you can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Please hit that like and subscribe button to appreciate my efforts and comment below if you may have any questions. Good luck. Happy trading.